It's time for Makina Stuff and straight up, it is giveaway time! Mamimigay po tayo ng bagong helmet from Geely. This is their brand new series na carbon fiber. So, paano nyo ito makukuha ng libre? So, bakit tayo namimigay ng Makina Stuff halos araw-araw dito sa Makina? Well, that is because malapit na po ang Makina Moto Bazaar, ang Moto Tiange Experience and Test Ride Consortium. Again, October 19 and 20 dyan sa Bridgetown Destinations in Pasig. So, it's gonna be a great weekend. Taon-taon nangyayari naman yan, and usually bare months sa puro mga moto accessories na pinapalabas natin sa Makina. So in this case, we have this brand new helmet from Geely. Now, their carbon fiber series, they've come up with several designs and I will show you in a bit. But first, ang gusto ko pakita sa inyo ay itong forge. Ito yung parang, as you can see, parang mga tagpi-tagpi na fiber na pinagsama-sama. For me, ito yung mga trip kong klaseng fiber nowadays. Ano ba meron tayo dito? You got your vents out in front. It's a couple dito sa mouth area. There, and then dito sa taas as well. Ang weight po natin dito is 1,250 grams, which is pretty good. Nasa lighter side of things. Yes, meron mga mas magaang pa na carbon fiber na helmets out there, and they are probably 3-4 times more expensive. But the only difference is naman, because of the weight, is because of the mechanical stuff na nilagay nila dito, like the vents, and in this case, meron din silang built-in sun visor as well. So, diba? Di ka mo kailangan mag-shades kung matarik na ang araw. Pilipinas pa, diba? So, those are the only factors you have kung bakit siya mas mabigat ng konti over the other carbon fiber helmets. But apart from that, in terms of yung tibay niya, yung pagka-sturdy niya, carbon fiber is still carbon fiber, right? A lot of people go after carbon fiber helmets, yun nga, dahil it is light and it is sturdy. Napakatibay ng carbon fiber. So, ang model ng Geely helmet na ito is called Celeste. Design na ito, it's called Forged. Here's another one. Ito naman ay yung ating honeycomb na design, as you can see. Also very, very nice. And then we have the more common one, the one that we see a lot of is the weave design, the weave pattern. But you know, they're all carbon fiber. So, para sa akin personally, okay naman sila lahat, pero ang aking favorite na design is the Forged. Now, in terms of what we have inside, quality is also pretty okay. You can see a highlight of green there, like a lime green. I call that Rick and Morty green for their teleport portal. It's that type of green. Quality is pretty good. Stitching is also nice. And of course, tanggalable po ito kung kailangan nyo na itong hugasan at kung medyo amoy mukha na yung loob ng helmet mo. Just gotta, di ba, paaw na, you gotta wash it. You can't stick it out and then wash it.
Tamang kwentuhan lang na may halong sabik at pagnasa. Oras natin ngayon, huwag mo nang isipin, mawawala tayo.
Okay, so it is giveaway time. Ilang carbon fiber helmet ang pamimigay natin. Ito, gagamitin ko to. The Forged one. What I will be giving away is going to be the honeycomb and our weave helmet. So, how to win these magnificent helmets? Kung nanonood po kayo ng Makina Stuff, you know the drill. All you have to do is to like and share this video with the hashtags Geely Carbon Fiber Helmets, Geely Celeste, Makina Moto Bazaar, a Moto Tiange Experience and Test Ride Consortium, October 19 and 20, Bridgetown Destinations, Pasig. Hindi naman gano'n kahaba yung hashtag na yun eh. Tapos, pag na-share nyo yan lahat, make sure you also follow and like the Geely page. Screenshot all of that, ilagay nyo sa comments below. And as we go along, habang palapit na tayo ng palapit doon sa ating event, malalaman nyo na kung sinong mananalo, and of course, you can claim your prize doon sa Geely booth. Siyempre, kasama natin ng Geely sa Makina Moto Bazaar. Okay? So, it's that easy. Good luck sa inyo lahat, and I'll see you at the event. This is Zach from Makina Stuff. Ciao!
Oras natin ngayon, huwag mo nang isipin, mawawala